everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Milky Way galaxy. So I have been uploading for a while because I was on vacation for Thanksgiving, so this is, if you ever wonder why I didn't post that much, is because of that. But anyways, I am back to posting some videos today, and today we'll be talking about the Milky Way galaxy. So, the Milky Way galaxy is our home galaxy. Everyone lives there, the solar system resides in there. And this is the Milky Way galaxy. It contains a few dwarf galaxies, mainly two large ones, called the Large Magellanic Cloud and the Small Magellanic Cloud. But before that, we're going to be talking about the Milky Way galaxy. So the Milky Way galaxy is the second largest galaxy in the local group, behind Andromeda Galaxy, which is the largest galaxy in the local group, but ahead of Triangulum Galaxy, which is the third largest in the local group. It has a diameter of 126,000 light years across, and it's also a barred spiral galaxy. And just like Andromeda, which is also a barred spiral galaxy. So Milky Way also is home to the black hole Sagittarius A, and if you want to see the black hole talk, you can watch the video over here, because this is where I'll be putting the black hole talk, talking specifically Sagittarius A. Anyway, back to the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy is home to a lot of stars, mainly 200 billion stars, 15,000 clusters, and 10,000 nebulae. And the most notable nebula, the largest we discovered, like in the Milky Way, not the largest we discovered, but one nebula that is the mainly, is the Carina Nebula, which looks like this. And I did put a video about that as well. You can check it out as well if you like. So, we're not going to be talking about the Carina Nebula, we're going to be talking about the Milky Way. So the Milky Way, let's go inside the Milky Way. You can see this is the view from in the Milky Way galaxy, which is mostly in the edge of it. Our solar system is usually somewhere in the edge of the Milky Way galaxy, not in the center, but the edge of the galaxy, like somewhere around here, where I'm pointing, that's where the solar system is. You can see not in the center of the Milky Way, just in the edge of it. So here's the view of the Milky Way galaxy. Its luminosity is 1.4 to 10 to the power of 10 luminosity, and this is the Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy is home to a lot of dwarf galaxies, but we're going to be talking about the two major ones, which are specifically the Large Magellanic Cloud and the Small Magellanic Cloud. So let's go to the Large Magellanic Cloud. You can see the Large Magellanic Cloud is the largest dwarf galaxy of the Milky Way, which is over 25,000 light years across, and it's home to a very big star, which is probably a very large star. I don't know if it's larger than Stephenson 218, called WOW G64. WOW G64, you may think it's in the Milky Way galaxy, but we discovered it, and it was in the Large Magellanic Cloud, meaning it's an intergalactic star. And it's also very, very big, like almost the same size as Stephenson 218, and it's 1.5 million years old. The Large Magellanic Cloud is home to about 11 billion stars, not as much as the Milky Way, 86 clusters, and 308 nebulae. It is also an irregular galaxy as well, not a spiral galaxy, an irregular galaxy, meaning it has no distinct shape. That's what irregular galaxies mean, and its luminosity is 1 to the power of 9. So let's go to the Small Magellanic Cloud, which is the smaller one of the two Magellanic Clouds. It is only 13,000 light years across, which is half of the Large Magellanic Cloud, only having a billion stars, 20 clusters, and 42 nebulae. Just like Large Magellanic Cloud, the Small Magellanic Cloud is also an irregular galaxy, meaning it has no distinct shape. Let's go inside the Small Magellanic Cloud. You can see it looks like this, kind of similar to the view in Milky Way. You can see the view of the Milky Way over there and the Large Magellanic Cloud. Now let's go to inside the Large Magellanic Cloud, which also looks like the view in the Small Magellanic Cloud, but bigger. You can see the Small Magellanic Cloud here, and let me find them. Here it is. Here's the Milky Way galaxy. So, Milky Way galaxy also has a lot of other dwarf galaxies, but mainly we just went to these two. Let's go to one more galaxy, like, if I could find it or not, which is actually a galaxy on the verge of collision with the Milky Way right now. Not the Andromeda Galaxy. You think it's the Andromeda, but it is not the Andromeda Galaxy. So hang on while I try to find it. It will take some time, but I'll check back in when I find it. Alright everyone, I found the galaxy right now. It is a very small galaxy, which is a dwarf galaxy on the verge of collision. It kind of looks like a star cluster, but it's actually a galaxy, just not visible. And it's called Sagittarius DSPH, which is a elliptical galaxy with a diameter of 6,000 light years. And the luminosity is about 5,000, and it contains about 380 million stars, one cluster, and 3 nebulae. And it's getting close to the Milky Way galaxy, and it's on the verge of colliding into it and being part of the Milky Way galaxy in the future. And also for the Milky Way galaxy, it is also on the verge of collision with the Andromeda galaxy, and once it's on the verge of collision, they will form a new elliptical galaxy called Milkdromeda. So anyway, this is a brief talk of the Milky Way galaxy. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to click the subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Bye everyone, see you later.